check it out.
Hello everyone, I'm Lina from the Columbus Public Library, and we're going to be making a DIY rock tic-tac-toe because reading is boredom breaking. You will need 10 rocks, a travel bag, and something to decorate the rocks like a Sharpie marker or paint. Start by taking your travel bag and draw the tic-tac-toe lines. Quick tip: place cardboard inside the bag to prevent the marker lines from transferring to the other side. Then begin decorating your rocks with the classic X's and O's, or get more creative and add designs. The possibilities are endless. I decorated both sides of mine so I can switch up the look and never get bored. And there you have it. You've made your very own tic-tac-toe game that you can take on the go and play it inside or outside with friends or family. Thank you for joining us today. To keep up with library news, follow us on social media or drop by the library and say hello. Bundles of fun for this program can be picked up at the Columbus Public Library while supplies last.
The Summer Reading Challenge.
We're open. Check us out.